How to renew the Amazon Prime membership. Amazon Prime gives us very free delivery, Prime Video, music, and exclusive deals. So if we do not renew it on the time, all the benefits stop. So let's renew it step by step. So for that, we can go to Amazon.com. You can go to any of the browser available and type in Amazon, type in .com, hit enter, and when you do, it will open up a web page on your screen. You can just go over and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and you can hover over to this option called account list, and a menu pops up. From here, what we can do is we can directly look out for the option for Prime membership here if we find that option, or if not that, select this option of memberships and subscriptions and click on it to open up another page here, and we can find our membership here. We can just go over and find Prime membership if we have that subscription available, and we can click on the option called manage membership and click on renew and confirm of the payment. That is also possible. If not this, we can directly head over to Prime membership as well. We can just go over and search for Prime membership and then hit enter, and we can find Amazon Prime Video link here. You can just go over and open it up, and we can go to the manage membership option here as well and enable the auto renew and save the changes. That should prevent the losing Prime benefits. You can just go over and do so. And if your payment fails, you can update your card or the bank details, use another payment method, check balance for debit cards, and try renewing from website instead of the application. So that's how we renew our Amazon Prime membership very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.